Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on Radio Status. Go to the Joystick tab and press the Hardware Wheel Calibration button. Press Start Roll Wheel and move the wheel to the left and right edges at least twice. When finished, click on Complete Roll Wheel and then click on Pass. Press the Hardware Joystick Calibration button, tap on Tap here to continue, and click on Start Calibration. Move both sticks to the horizontal ends and center the stick. Repeat the movement a few times. Tap Next. Move both sticks to the upper right corner and center the stick. Repeat the movement a few times. Tap Next. Move the sticks on a circular motion in clockwise direction at least 5 times. Tap Next. Then move the sticks to position the black circles over the red circles. When you finish, press Pass. Press the SBUS Out Calibration button and place the sticks and wheel as indicated in the image under the buttons tab until it changes position. When finished, press the Save button.